I've got Samsung Galaxy S20 and let me show you how to activate easy mode on the following device. So at first you have to open list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Now scroll down, find and pick display, and now you have to scroll and locate easy mode icon. So it's right here, smoothly click on it, and if you really want to use a simple home screen layout with bigger on-screen items, just tap over here. And now it's active. As you can see, it has been definitely changed, so you can also customize it a bit. For example, you can activate high contrast keyboard and pick the option. So let me pick, for example, the first one, which is yellow. And now, as you can see, the whole layout has been changed, has been updated. So now we've got way bigger icons, bigger fonts. Everything is more comfy for people with eye issues, any sight problems. And then you will definitely not miss any important information. Then if you would like to switch this minimalistic mode off, if you would like to go back to the normal mode, just pick display again, it's right here, go to easy mode and turn it off by tapping on the switcher. And that's it. As you can see, now we are back in the normal mode with standard fonts, and also the icons are way smaller. So this is it. This is how you can activate, use and deactivate Samsung Galaxy S20 in easy mode. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.